and welcome to another episode of The Trade Stylist, where we try and craft your trade. Well, this week is week 4th of May 2024, and as you know, we start with the disclaimers. First of all, is that all views are personal, and well, there's a lot of risk in commodity investing, so please be careful. And this time, we are doing things a little bit differently, and I'm hoping that you'll enjoy this version as well. So hello everyone, I am Debajyoti, better known as DJ, and I'm here to help you craft your trade. You can find me at TheTradeStylist on YouTube and of course on my other platforms as well. So we start of course with a prayer. May the trading gods be with us always. And we don't go to the market update, we do directly TradeCraft this week. And there's something interesting that we figured out. So let's start from something simple and we look at sugar. So as you saw, my expectation was that this market would continue downwards. There were a couple of people who reached out and said, well, it looks like a bounce. And yes, for a couple of days it did try to bounce back, but ultimately every time it did bounce, it still got taken out, and it's sort of ended up towards the lower end. It does not mean that it has been cancelled out. It does not mean that it cannot bounce from here. It definitely can, but there's also a strong possibility that it continues sort of downwards. It's supported by oil, by the way. Oil stays strong, sugar typically follows. But now let's look at something slightly different. Now corn, as we are always all aware that I've been long on corn, and thankfully it spiked up, but it spiked and it ended the day sort of closing it out almost at where it started, and that's not really a great sign, but it's still positive from where we are. So well, it can have hit resistance levels. Now when you look at this chart, my sort of thought process and my views sort of tally with what the chart has been saying, especially over the March to May period. But let's look at the next one, and this is the same chart. Only thing is, this is for a 6-month period between November to May, and in this thing it's sort of completely different, right? It's range bound. It's almost as if movements have been reduced, and it also looks quite strongly bullish in the last 35 days. And let's move one more direction ahead and see something on the 3-month chart. Now in this 3-month chart, the last 5 days look quite strong, positively green, but over the entire month sort of very range bound, and that's where I'm trying to get us to today, that there is a dichotomy and there is a confusion in looking at charts to take trading positions, and we're gonna look at that also on this very setup as well. And this is wheat as well, where again you're aware that I'm long. It has spiked up, it has held up strong, looks to be going stronger. Risk off sentiment definitely, and I think if it crosses 640, hold on to your hats. We might be up for a swing again, and it's gone up quite a bit, significantly already. So yes, risk might be taking off from there. A lot of shorts probably might even get taken out. Now same chart, different time horizon again, and here we are. Looks massively bullish for the last month or so, but if we look at the overall scenario for the past 6 months, sort of has been almost in the same place, and it seems like the bottom is already in, and it might also feel that we've crossed a significant height and probably face resistance at this level. And again, that's a possibility. And same chart again, or same commodity again. And here it looks for the 3-month period that it is significantly double time testing it. And this probably might be where the reversal of wheat starts from, because well, it has tried to hit it in the past, it's hit it again, failed again, and it's probably closed lower than where it should have. And that's where the challenge of charting or taking positions barely on the basis of charting comes in. And the question that happens is this: is there a solution to this chart madness, as I'd like to call it? Well, I hope you would tune in on the next show, where I am going to sort of take you through one of the things that I do to sort of validify the charts. I don't use them. I don't use the charts rather to trade. I use them to present, and I trade using pivots and levels, which is what I'm going to talk about on the next show, the next episode. And I hope you are there with me. Hope you enjoy it, this small and short session this week. And I hope you are staying profitable with us. And I hope to keep adding value to your weekends. Cheers and have a good one, everyone. Next episode, as now, goes on the 11th of May 2024. See you there. Bye.